Wednesday walkthrough. We're standing in a Sandpiper 2022 391 FLRB. This is a luxury fifth wheel, probably the nicest one I've been in, and I am privileged to show it to you today. We're standing up here in the front living at the top of the fifth wheel. You've got that automotive windshield to have all those great views of the campground or of the road. What I like about it is that TV for you to watch when you want it to be there, but not to block your views when you don't. Plenty of storage in all these cabinets. As you focus around, you're going to see plenty of living space. We have dual slides here where we have sleeper sofas on both sides for all those extra people you're bringing with you because you have room. And we have the dual recliners. They'll kick out directly across from the TV and the fireplace. Plenty of front living space. So let's go down and see the rest of the kitchen. Notice we have dual slides again. This part of the kitchen on a slide and the dinette as well on a slide. This kitchen space is going to feel bigger than most fifth wheels. What I love about it is the LG refrigerator and fridge. I guarantee this guy is bigger than what I have even in my own house. And I love the oven. This oven is huge. You could cook your Thanksgiving turkey in here, as well as the convection microwave. Don't even have to use the oven. You could bake right here in the microwave. Now, as we pan around, my favorite part of the kitchen is the half bath. You're not going to see many half baths here in a fifth wheel, but directly here in the kitchen, perfect for your guests coming in and out. They don't have to go up into your master bath. And of course, I love the island here. You can flip that up. You've got some extended space as well as the solid countertops. So as we go through here from the kitchen space, I want you to notice the extra cabinets you're going to come across as we walk up into the main bedroom. Extra storage, extra drawer space. I love these cabinets. They're beautiful. The amount of work that they've gone into this camper won't even make you feel like you're in a camper. So here's the bedroom. Look at a large king-size bed on a slide, of course, to give you more room. You've got his and her storage space where you've got all the hanging and the drawers. But we finish up here in the bathroom. Notice it is a rear bath. What I love here is inside the bathroom is your washer and dryer hookup. You could do some more storage in that closet, and it is right next to this very large shower. And the his and her sinks. This bathroom is huge. Plenty of room to get ready in the morning, more cabinet space, and of course, your second bathroom. So if you're in the market for a fifth wheel, come on down and see this Sandpiper. It is top of the class luxury, the 391 FLRB.